Bald Eagle Screaming Machine against Japan's finest toge monster, I guess you could say.
He forgot the New Balance though.
We got two cars behind me, two friends to my side. We're in the desert. I'm sweating. I don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what's gonna happen. It's your favorite show. It's driver battles. Let's go. Are you guys excited?
Yep. Hell yeah.
All right, that was good. Hell yeah. To my sides, I got Ger and I got Ricky. And Ger, I'm gonna start with you because you're bringing the loudest car in terms of color we've ever seen on the show. In fact, I hope you put sunscreen behind you because it is reflecting hot behind us right now. What the hell is this thing?
It's a 2004 Corvette Z06.
Oh, wow. Okay. And why are you bringing a Z06 to the track to beat an S2000? What made you bring this car?
Power.
Power, baby.
Power. American power.
Bald Eagle screaming for the victory. Here we go. Yep. In fact, you already got a checker flag on the hood of your car. That's power, baby.
Yep,
that's
power, all it
baby.
is.
All right, Ger, tell me a little bit of history on this car. Have you ever driven this at the track before?
So this is actually my girlfriend's Corvette. My second time driving it, and it's got loads of power.
Yeah.
So I think that will have a chance to beat the S2000.
Does it have AC still?
It still has AC, power steering. Everything's basically stock besides coilovers, brake pads, and track spec sway bars.
Wow, have you ever driven in any car at Chuckwalla before?
My S2000.
Okay, so you know the track.
One time, I've driven it once.
Oh wow, so second time on the track?
Second
time in
the car,
the Z06?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, Ger, you actually got your hands full.
Yeah, Ricky's a talented, fast driver.
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna be hard.
We're gonna get to Ricky in a second because I think he's bringing some secret weapons to this, to this battle. What size tire are you running on this Corvette?
Today we are running 315, and it's my first time running 315 on it too.
Oh my God, square?
Square, yep.
How's the car doing today?
Today it's a new setup.
Yeah.
So it's I installed sway bar last minute.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and it paired with the old spring rates of the coilover, so it's kind of pushing and oversteering a little bit.
Yeah.
And on some corner, it does understeer a little bit.
Yeah.
But I think that just be overdriving the car.
Could be overdriving.
Yeah.
And also oversteer is kind of part of the course.
Yeah, it is.
Corvette,
Yeah.
so.
Especially square setup.
Yeah.
That's what
So you got to keep your hands full today.
I do, yes.
Hopefully we keep it straight, we keep it on the pavement, and we keep it fast.
Trying, yep.
You can't let all those retiree, AARP, AAA members down. Because if you go home and you lose in the Corvette, they're gonna make you buy a PT Cruiser.
I'm trying not to. Try not to.
Screw. All right, we're getting into you. Ricky.
Yes.
What is this thing?
This is my 04 Honda S2000.
How long have you had it?
Had it for roughly 5 years or so.
5 years. S2000. How much does it weigh?
Around 2550 without me in it.
2550. And we're around 3100?
3100, yep.
Wow, so you got a 600-pound roughly?
Around there.
I'm bad at math.
Or did I say 25? Actually 26. 26, sorry about that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Sorry about that,
2650. Okay. Advantage. What have you done to it?
Simple package. I mean, kept the engine pretty damn stock.
Yeah.
It does have a tune.
Yeah.
I am running an AEM Infinity.
Oh, wow.
ECU. Roughly making 225 to the wheels around it.
Nice.
But other than that, just suspension wise.
Have you driven a Chuckwalla before?
I have plenty of times.
And this setup?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
There's been little changes. I mean, last time I came, I didn't have, it does have an OS guiding.
Yeah?
With a different final
Rear
drive.
diff.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's kind of new to it.
Yeah.
I drove it on Chuckwalla last time I came, but it was only for one session, so I didn't get a good feel for it.
Nice. What size tires you running?
255.
Square?
Yes.
Wow. How's it going today?
Well, it's going pretty damn good. I'm liking the tire, pretty consistent. So
Yeah, nice.
not bad.
And the weather has held up amazing.
Oh.
Look at us.
2 days ago, it was like, what, triple digits? So
Yeah.
I'm glad
Now
it's...
this is nice. We can all sunbathe, hang out.
Exactly.
Fantastic. All right, what makes you think the S2000's gonna beat the Bald Eagle Screaming Machine that is the Z06?
Wait.
Wait.
Yes, corner speed.
Now I will say we've had some high horsepower cars on this show before, and honestly they have done very well on this track.
Yeah, it's
However,
got a lot of straightaways. That's
You got a lot of straightaways, but you can't beat driver skill, you can't beat driver knowledge. So this is gonna be a crazy battle. We got cornering speed, we got late braking, we got a little bit more experience, we got power, we got speed, we got Ger, we got Ricky, we got you guys. Who's gonna win? We're about to find out. You guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Hell yeah.
Yep.
All right, let's get into it. Driver battles is a go. Did you guys have a good day?
Yep.
Oh, I definitely did.
Yeah, it didn't get too hot out here actually.
Yeah,
it was
it's not
nice.
bad.
Yeah, Ger, I heard you did some R&D in the car at Button Willow before this battle to be sorted.
Yep.
You think it paid off?
Nope.
Why is that?
Because I didn't do anything. I just drove and came here and drove again.
That's it? Well, at least, hey man, practice makes perfect. Repetition.
Yep.
How'd the Corvette do?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was good. Tires were consistent throughout, so that was good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It was actually screaming out there. It's one of the loudest cars we've had on track. So awesome.
American muscle.
Hell yeah, baby.
That's all.
Bald Eagles.
Yep.
Whoa, do it for Dale.
Yeah.
How'd the S2000 do?
It was doing fine. I was kind of struggling in the morning, but turns out, I guess I was kind of happy towards the end of the day.
Yeah.
Went a little bit faster by a few.
Really? Towards the end of the day?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Usually it happens in the morning, right?
No, I know. I think I figured out the tires, so. But great. I mean, I feel like I did decent, I guess.
Yeah. Awesome.
But I don't know. Bald Eagles on my right side.
I know. Right. It's kind of intimidating.
It is. So every time I got close, I was like, okay.
He went and did R&D before the event.
I know. Well, while I was working on the car.
While he was working on the car. Shut up and drive, right, Ger? All right, enough small talk. You guys ready to find out? You guys ready to find out?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Just so you know, we run driver battles time attack style. We get cars, we get a racetrack, and we give them all day to get the fastest time. And as you just heard, sometimes you get faster all day long. This isn't wheel-to-wheel racing. This isn't head-to-head racing. This is safe, fun, and fast, and that's how we run driver battles. And if you think you got a faster S2000 or Corvette than either of these two, drop it in the comments, let us know, because that's how we find our competitors, and we would love to see you on the next one. But now that we got that out of the way, these times are literally the closest times we've ever had on any episode of Driver Battles ever. Keyboard warriors, I want to see you. Come on, start predicting. Ger, we're going to start with you.
Cool.
Ooh.
2, 0, 0.14. Ger. 200.1. Are you kidding me? That is like blisteringly fast. For your first time here in this car?
Yeah, it's not bad.
That's really good.
Not bad.
That's not bad. You got to take that.
Yep.
All right, Ricky Hernandez.
What do we got?
159.9, Ricky Hernandez. Less than a 1/10 of a second between the two cars. That was insane. Woo!
That's crazy. Good job, dude. Good job.
Why do you think the S2000 beat it by a 1/10 of a second?
Maybe knowledge of the track, I guess.
A 1/10 of a second?
Could be.
That much more knowledge? Wow.
And I guess just full send towards the end of the day.
Okay.
I did come out sweating, so.
Sub 2 at Chuckwalla in an S2000 is something to be very proud of.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
2 flat for never being here in this car is something to be extremely proud of. Jeez, you guys beat most of the competitors on the show.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
If you guys want to see more of these battles, let us know. We do them for you. Thank you so much, Ger, for coming out. Thank you so much, Ricky, for coming out. Your car looks beautiful. Your car looks beautiful.
Thank you.
You can put on some New Balance and an American flag and drive it home.
Yes.
That's it for this episode, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thanks for watching Driving Line. If you guys like this video, consider subscribing to our channel so you'll never miss any of the content we create here. Whether you're into trucks, Jeeps, imports, domestic vehicles, or anything in between, we are here to fuel your passion. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys next time.